Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A small apartment inspired by Provence near Bon Marché. This Parisian apartment, designed by Lobe Architecture, pays homage to the southern light. Both understated and warm, it welcomes the sun through its large windows. The rays play on the ochre zellages of Fekara, caress the pinkish clay parafuels of salons, and rest on the blonde oak parquet flooring. It was quite nice because I was able to combine the bar, a land of potters and artisans who work with earth and clay, and the Aube, a forested region rich in timber. All the ceramic tiles therefore come from Provence, with the exception of the fireplace apron, which is made of Moroccan zellages, and all the wood from the east.